Hi, I'm Vineeth. I'm from Bangalore. I'm a BCom graduate. I was actually interested in starting a business in automobile industry, but I had no clue about what is inside automobiles. Actually, I knew few names of cars, some cars, but except that I had no technical knowledge as such to run a day-to-day business in this field. Then I was thinking, where do I start? Then I came across iACE Instagram handle. Then I went through their portals and I spoke to a guy from there who actually helped me choose what is the right course for me. And initially, though I was a little confused and nervous, how things will be down in Gujarat. I was actually moving states to learn something. But I made that choice and it was the best decision in my life because today the confidence I have in running this business is actually which I got it from iACE. In day-to-day business, we get to deal with a lot of issues. Sometimes, some customer will leave his car with us, but tomorrow morning it might not start. So if didn't get my training in iACE, I would be confused and puzzled. But since I have got my training and I have technical expertise, so it is much easier to deal with issues on day-to-day business, on day-to-day basis as well. So actually, to be frank, people who want to start their business should visit iACE and take a course, spend their time, learn things, and in iACE they don't rush you to learn fast, or they'll not compare you with others. So they will teach in their own things, like it is a well structured program. Everything is structured. They start from fundamentals. Let's say when I joined, they actually started from basic tools. So after first weeks of training, I realized I didn't even know 80% of the tools names itself. So for starting from there, by end of the course, I actually overhauled a engine by myself. So that is the confidence, and that is the technical expertise which you get from iACE, which I am very grateful and thankful for. And it was a pretty affordable price at affordable price point as well. I actually checked with other training centers as well, which were providing some basic level course at double the price as well. So net it was it was a to be to put it in words, it was a beautiful experience learning things down in iACE. So trainers were actually they were very down to earth, wherein trainer knows what exactly each student knows, and where is he coming from. To be frank, I never was feeling like left out, because since I was from commerce background, I was expecting to feel left out if I join a bunch of engineering students team. But I never felt that. Within 1 week, I was much comfortable there. Today, I'll show you around my workshop, wherein the things which I learned from iACE and which I'm actually implementing in my business. So, in terms of safety and cleanliness, all these things were like priority while I was being trained at iACE. At the end of the day, we used to, once the work is done, we used to clean all the tools and the places which we use. And the same thing I follow in my workshop. So my tools are better organized, since I was doing that for 6 months in iACE. And I have kept a safer and cleaner environment in my workshop, so that it is not hazardous for my employees to work, because I understand their point of view, because I did that job with my own hands every day for during that training period. So I understand their point of view, and I understand when they go wrong, if they do some mistakes, and if some electrical issues there, or if if there is any issue. Now today I'm confident enough to solve it, or get a solution, because if I hadn't attended that training program, I would have been less efficient, more confused towards things in the car. Since I have all the understanding, it is easier and much smoother and mellow to run this business. So overall, I'd like to thank them, and keep supporting people.